get a video. Cheese. No, you're fine. You're fine.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, yes! No.
That was nice.
What if we went up way? Oh, there we go.
Whoa.
What about tiny? Oh, here comes big one. Here comes big one. Oh, wait, what? I'm like, oh, that didn't even do it. Darren, where's the grenade? Oh. Oh, we have no more grenades, bro. We ran out. No, Uncle Darren needs to take a break. Yeah. Done. High one. No. Dang it. Not close. That's gonna be higher, but not high. Oh, that one.
Oh, really?
They earned the
Sorry.
shirt that they.
It's not working well. You
That's
just lost
gonna-
the place.
I knew that would be big, but. There's like three. There's like a million. Oh, there's three. There's like a million.
Let's see.
That's fine.
Oh my god.
No. Wait until their finale.
They like shoot like 10
They shoot like
million.
50 up. So fast. Oh, hard.
Yeah, no.
Oh. I found my true love.
It's not facing to you. No, you messed it up.
It doesn't look like it. That's still happening. You can't even see them shoot up. Get ready.
Whoa, oh my god.
Oh, you can see that. That's how big that was. I'll just one over here. Kylie. The rest are going to Kylie. Nothing. I know. And the grand finale is the best part of the show.
The grand finale has all the big ones and the louder ones.
Yeah, they have all the loud ones and the big ones.
Good, you don't remember last year?
That sounds like your mom.
Really?
You guys here?
Yeah. We all sat right on the ledge thingy right there.
I'm excited. I was like standing right there.
We just got on the camera.
Oh, ready?
Yeah.
Perfect time.
I just got really.
You can tell I'm playing with him. I'll be back 1 second, Grayson. I need to stay for this. Nope. Crane, I'll be back 1 sec. Okay, you can keep it. Sorry, Shy. Oh! High one! Yes!
Whoa.
Oh, that looked like a butt.
What the heck?
So tell her to step on her own feet. Tell her God gave her feet for a reason. Use them.
There you
go.
Somebody ate it.
I know. Oh! Hey, can you please stop? I did that one instead.
Saturn.
Look at that. It's like covered. That was tiny.
One of them didn't go. Oh, now it did.
You saw their pictures. I want to see it. Yeah, high one. This is it. Yes. Oh, get ready. Get ready. Yes.
Whoa.
Boom. Wait. Too early.
It's hard.
Somebody please stop
Yeah.
that.
I just lost all of them.
That's great finale.
Or Kyle's kicking me. I just lost it. Oh. Okay, I found it. Oh, yeah.
We trapped him. Trapped him.
Oh, my God. Kylie, stop kicking. They're all low ones now. Hey, Kylie. Can you stop kicking me?
I can't see it. There's been a lot of those yellow ones. Oh, get ready.
Creighton, are you ready? Yay! That's cute.
Careful.
Oh.
Stand up and be careful.
Oh.
That one was huge.
I can't lie. He's kind of. Well, for me. A lot of people, it's kind of like.
Don't drop it.
I won't. I'll try. I'm trying to zoom in. Wow. Well, I just missed that one.
What?
Ah.
My donut.
That was
And then also, rubber. Where did I go? Oh.
You're like I'm
Walk
in
away.
Rio.
Now they do the big ones up top when I walk away. Those are the fucking ones she wants pictures.
That would be so hard. Let me go, buddy. No.
Cheyenne.
I was in Maine, and Maine was.
This is so pretty.
Yeah, because it does feel like we're blowing up something.
Probably are.
To Rio and blowing up
Ain't blowing up any people.
If they're tiny, they're not. The big ones are good.
Oh my God.
The big ones go high.
I don't know if I missed that or not.
Wait, can they go left?
Why are you talking to your tablet?
No, I'm talking to you.
Maybe. Yeah. Another one.
It's so small.
This one. Yes. It was sad. I'm not gonna do that anymore. I ran out of ammo. Yeah, take mine.
Cheyenne.
Okay, I dropped this up. That was you, Kylie. That was you. Oh. My dog is
The neighbor's dog's
I
barking.
don't care what the neighbor's dog is doing.
What? My dog. Mommy. Oh.
What? You need to be quiet over there.
Okay. Okay, nope.
dive in the harbor. I can't go there. Oh, here comes the good one.
Cheyenne.
Okay. No, the sounds are amazing. You're not breaking it. How loud are they? Loud. Oh. They're like 10 times louder than this. Oh. But it's totally worth the show.
Uh-oh.
50 times
What? What, Mom?
Like 100 times better.
Did you hear all those shootouts?
Yeah.
Someone hitting you.
Whoa. It's about to.
Going out. Don't you live up by like Valley? They don't know where they're going.
Now the smoke doesn't want to move.
They should wait for the smoke to move.
They can't. It'll take too long.
You can barely see them. Now you can barely see them. Whoa.
That's great.
Oh my god.
You can still see.
Yeah.
Autumn, look at the moon.
So
I like the
tired.
moon being nice and bright red over there, huh?
Where?
You don't see the big bright red
Straight
moon?
over there.
I didn't know that was the moon.
What the hell did they go take a picture?
I had no idea. Oh my god.
Okay, come on, turn it off. Let's go.
Alright, I
Let's
gotta
go
grab
for
my car keys to